Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your account with UnitedHealthcare, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your account with UnitedHealthcare, begin by gathering your account information. This includes your member ID number and any personal identification details. Next, visit the official UnitedHealthcare website. Scroll to the bottom of the homepage and locate the Contact Us link. Click on that link to access their customer service options. You will find various ways to contact them, including phone numbers and live chat. If you prefer speaking to someone directly, note the customer service phone number. Have your account information ready before you call. Once connected, inform the representative that you wish to cancel your account. They may ask for your details to verify your identity. Be prepared to answer any security questions they may have. After verifying your identity, clearly state your request to cancel. The representative will guide you through any necessary steps or confirmations. They may also provide information regarding any final charges or outstanding payments. If you prefer to cancel online, log into your UnitedHealthcare account. Navigate to the account settings or profile section. Look for the cancellation option, which might be listed under Account Management. Follow the prompts to initiate your cancellation request. Be sure to read any information provided about the cancellation process. After submitting your cancellation request, you should receive a confirmation email. Keep this email for your records as proof of cancellation. If you do not receive a confirmation, follow up with customer service. Once your account is canceled, ensure you check for any outstanding claims or payments. This will prevent any unexpected charges in the future. Lastly, monitor your bank statements to ensure no further automatic deductions occur. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.